Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 11th, 2023. No, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. It's the edition of Friday, May the 5th, 2023. Yesterday we have also no extra puzzles. We have here in this. Additional 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Yes, 3 puzzles left, and let me start with the first one. The first one is the letter Sudoku, number 6418. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. Those letters we have here 27 printed letters. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yeah, the less printed it is, in this case letters, the more it will be difficult. Alright, and the letters that I can use are unique letters. 9 unique letters here. The E, the P, the D, the O, the G, the R, the M, the Y. No, not the Y. The U. U and I. Yeah, U. It's the U. Yeah, U. Alright. And the goal is to solve this word in the third row. It's a Dutch word. And I will translate this after I've solved this word. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which letter can I use? Let me see. We have a U in this column, the U in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 boxes left for the U. Could be here, could be there. We have a U in the middle row, so no U there. U should be there. Alright, U in this row, U in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the U should be there. U. Yeah. Alright, U. Then. Yeah. PP. MM. Well, the G. Yeah, the G in this row, the G in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the G should be here or there. We have a G in the last column, so no G there. G should be here. Alright. I. Come on. The D, the B, the G, G, E. Come on. D, the R. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the R and the E. We have R and E in the second row, so no R and E in this box. R and the E goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. R and the E. So 1 letter is missing in this big square. The missing letter here is the P. Yeah, we need a P here. P. Okay. Then need a M here, need a I here, and need a G here. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this row. Second row, one of the missing letters in the second row is a letter G. We need a G in one of these 3 boxes in the second row. Need a G. We have a G in this column, no G there. Here, G in the middle column, no G there. So the only place left for the G should be there. G in the first row, G in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the G should be here or there. We see a G in the second column, no G there. G should be there. G, okay. G, okay. P. Yeah, 3 missing letters in the third row. One of the missing letter in the third row is the letter R. We have a R in this big square, so no R in this box. We have a R in this column, so no R in that box. So 1 box left for the R should be there. So 2 missing letters now in the third row. Those missing letters are the P is missing and the E is missing. P and E, P and E. We have a E in this big square, so no E there. E should be here and the P goes there. So we've solved this word. In Dutch, it's opgeruimd. In English, it's cleaned. Yeah, it's cleaned. Yeah. All right. Let me continue. So within 6 minutes. Well. Yeah. So 2 missing letters in this row for the letters. I is missing and the M is missing. I and M. We have I in the middle column. No I there. I should be here and the M goes there. Need a I here. Need a U there. U. Okay. Need an O here. Need a P here. And need a D here. Need a D. Yeah, D. Well, 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are O is missing. The D is missing. And the P is missing. O-D-P. O-D-P, O-D-P, O-D-P. And look, we have O and a D in the middle column. So no O and a D in this box. O and a D goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So one letter is missing in this big square. We have a letter P. Alright, 1 letter is missing in the middle column for the letter M. No, we have an M here. Need a E. We need a E here. Alright. Then. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an O in this big square. We have an O in the middle row, so no O in these 2 boxes. So the O in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have O in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be an O anymore. That box should be an O, and this box should be a D. So we have a D in this column, D in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the D should be there. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a D. We have a D in the middle row, so no D in these 2 boxes here. D in the first column, no D in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the D in this big square. Should be there. D. Okay. Then D. Okay. Oh, they. R is missing here. R. And M is missing. M. Okay. P. Need a E. E. P. And I is missing here. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We have an I in this row, middle row. No I in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I. Should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters P is missing. P and the E is missing. P and a E. We have an E in this column. No E there. E should be there. And the P goes there. P. Okay. I. M. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are I is missing, M is missing, and the U is missing. I am you. I am you, I am you, I'm you. And look, we have an I and an M in the first column. So no I and M in this box. I and M goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. I and M. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter U. Alright. Okay. And the M, and M, and M, and the M. We have I in this column, I in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the I should be here. Or there, we see an I in this row, no I there. I should be there. Right. 1 letter is missing in this column for letter. I believe the M is missing here. The M is missing here. So the I should be here. The E should be there. And the P should be here also. Okay. And now. Let me see. Come on. Let me think. Oh. M. O, M. E, yeah. E should be here. E should be there, yeah. 4 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letter in the last column is the letter E. Well, here can be E because we have E in the middle row. No E there. Here can be E because we have E in this row. So no E there. So the E in the last column could be here, could be there. Here or there. And we see another E in this row. So no E there. The only place left for the E should be there. E in this row, E in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the E should be there. So 2 missing letters here. The I is missing and the P is missing. IP, okay. R is missing here. And the M is missing. M. Yeah, 3 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letter in the last column is the letter M. Well, we have an M in this row, so no M there. We have an M in this row, so no M there. So the only place left for the M in this column should be there. Alright. M in this row, M in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the M should be there. And I've eliminated the O, so the O goes there. So 1 letter is missing in this big square. For the letter R, yeah, the R is missing. R. And no, yeah, 2 missing letters now in the last column. Those missing letters are the O is missing and the R is missing. O and R. We have an O in this row. No O there. O should be here and R goes there. So we have O in this row, O in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this column, no O there. O should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. E is missing. And the D is missing. E and a D, E and a D. We have an E in this row, no E there. E should be here, and the D goes there. R and the E, we have an E now in this column, no E there. E should be here, and R goes there. Okay. Alright. I and a M and the okay, the O. The O in this column, the O in the second column, so third column, the only three places left for the O should be here, or there. We see an O in this row, no O there. Here, no, in the row below, so no O there. So the only place left for the O should be there. Alright. Okay. Now. I am the D in this column, D in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the D should be here or there. We see a D in this row, no D there. D should be there. D in this row, D in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left for the D should be here or there. We see a D in this column, no D there. D should be there. Right. Two missing letters now in the third column. I believe the I and M. I and the M are missing. We have an M in this row, no M there. M should be here, and I goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter I. Alright. I and a P, we have an I in this row, no I there. I should be here. And P goes and there. Alright. Now. Two missing letters in this column for the letters. R is missing. And R is missing. And yeah, come on. U is missing, yeah. R and a U. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Two letters. Alright, how about these two missing letters in this column? Missing letters are M is missing. And no. M is missing, and the U is missing. Yeah, the U. M and a U in the second column. We have a U in this row, no U there. U should be here, and M goes there. Okay, I've marked those two boxes earlier with the R and the U. We have a U in this row, no U there. U should be here, and R goes and there. So we have R in this row, R in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the R should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, P is missing and G is missing. P and G. We have a G in this row, no G there. G should be here, and the P goes there. G in this row, G in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the G should be there. So two missing letters are the last two final letters. In this big square for letters, P is missing. Well, we have a P in this row, so no P there. P should be there. And M is missing. Yeah, M. Finished in 19 minutes. Well, for Letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with my time. 90 minutes. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.